Before we dive into our financial news update, let's take a quick look at the latest market trends. In today's trading session, Power Grid, Coal India, ONGC, and NTPC were among the largest losers in the Nifty 50 stocks, with their share prices declining by up to 6%. Similarly, SAIL, NMDC, REC, BHEL, and LIC also corrected more than 5%. Analysts expect the SU index to correct by up to 15%. Meanwhile, Adani Enterprises and Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone saw a significant decline of around 7%. Additionally, Adani Power, Adani Wilmar, ACC, Ambuja Cements, and New Delhi Television shed up to 5%. This fall in the Adani Group stocks occurred amid weakness in the overall market sentiment. In other news, the stake sale in ITC is considered positive, as British American Tobacco, BAT, is now unlikely to sell more shares in the near future. This move aims to prevent its shareholding in ITC from falling below 25%. BAT's ownership in ITC has now reduced to 25.5% from 29% earlier. Moving on, the Gopal Snacks IPO closed with adequate subscriptions. The listing is scheduled for the 14th of March. Retail investors subscribed 4.01 times, NII 9.50 times, KIB 17.50 times, and employees 6.87 times. However, the grey market premium at -12 suggests a discount listing. The IPO price band was set at 381,401. Lastly, HSBC has issued a buy call on Zomato due to continued market share gains in food delivery and potential upside from quick commerce. The target price has been raised to 200 rupees per share from 163 rupees earlier. Power Finance Corporation Limited has announced its third interim dividend of 3 rupees per share with payment expected on or before the 10th of April. The record date for this dividend is the 22nd of March, 2024. Moving on to TVS Motor Company Limited. They've declared an interim dividend of 8 rupees per share. The record date for this dividend is the 19th of March, 2024. K Industries Limited has also declared an interim dividend, this time of 3.50 rupees per share, with the same record date of the 19th of March, 2024. Meanwhile, Karma Holdings Limited has declared an interim dividend of 19 rupees per share, with a payment date set for the 9th of April. Again, the record date is the 19th of March, 2024. R Systems International Limited will be considering the declaration of an interim dividend on the 19th of March. Shifting to the healthcare sector, GPT Healthcare Limited is set to consider the declaration of its second interim dividend also on the 19th of March. Agi Infra Limited has declared an interim dividend of 1 rupees per share, with a record date of the 20th of March, 2024. Coforge Limited is contemplating the proposal of payment for an interim dividend on the 2nd of May. The record date for this has yet to be determined. Nidhi Granites Limited is in the process of considering a proposal for a bonus issue on the 15th of March. Vardhman Polytechs Limited will be considering and approving a stock split for a face value of 10 rupees on the 28th of March. Data Udyog Limited has set the record date for its stock split from 10 rupees to 1 rupees on the 29th of March, 2024. Hindustan Construction Co Limited has announced the record date for its rights issue at an issue price of 21 rupees, with an issue period from the 26th of March to the 5th of April, and the last date for enunciation on the 2nd of April. The ratio is 1:9, and the record date is the 16th of March, 2024. TIL Limited will be reconsidering various terms on its rights issue, rescheduled to the 13th of March. Tiero Agrotech Limited has set the record date for its proposed rights issue at a price of 50 rupees, with an issue period from the 28th of March to the 10th of April, and the last date for enunciation on the 3rd of April. The ratio is 1:5, and the record date is the 18th of March, 2024. Inventure Growth and Securities Limited has received in principle approval from stock exchanges for its rights issue. Sorka Business Machines Limited will be considering various terms on its rights issue on the 14th of March. Krishna Paper Mills Limited has approved a rights issue for an amount not exceeding 47 crore at an issue price of 21 rupees in a ratio of 2:1. The issue period is from the 2nd of April to the 15th of April, with the last date for enunciation on the 8th of April, and the record date is the 15th of March, 2024. Finally, TCFC Finance Limited will be considering the reduction of capital on the 28th of March. That wraps up our financial news update for now. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis on the latest developments in the world of finance. Thanks for watching. Please thumbs up if you like, subscribe, press the bell icon and never miss an update. Share and comment your thoughts on the comment section, and stay tuned with Corporate Actions India.